Welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we will begin Java programming with Hello World example. Let's switch to our IDE. This is the code that would print Hello World. The first line uses the keyword class to declare that a new class is being defined. Hello World is an identifier, that is the name of the class. A class is the basic building block of object-oriented programming. Gradually you will understand its meaning. For now, just skip the details. The next is the main method. In Java programming language, every application must contain a main method whose signature is this. Main method is the entry point for your application. It will be the first method that would run, and it would subsequently invoke all other methods required by your program. The next line of the code is system.out.println hello world. This line outputs the string hello world followed by a new line on the screen. And these are the comments. A comment is a programmer readable explanation which are added with the purpose of making the source code easier for humans to understand and are generally ignored by compilers. Now let's compile it. It shows hello world as expected. Now I will show you how to run this program on your Linux machine. Open any text editor. I am using Sublime here. You may download the same, as it is one of the most popular text editor to write codes. Copy the same code in the Sublime text. Save it with any name, say xyz.java. I will save it on desktop. Now open the terminal using Ctrl+Shift+T. Locate your file on terminal. As it was save on desktop, I will go to desktop. So here it is. Now type javac xyz.java. A new file hello world.class will be created. Let's find it. Yeah, here it is. Now write java xyz. It will run, and it has printed hello world on the terminal. Thus it is working. You can follow the same procedure for Windows, just use command line on Windows. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.